Near this hour, a woman struck by lightning in Clark County.
Well, I was sitting upstairs working at my desk, and the next thing I know, I heard a great big crack. And then I heard somebody screaming.
That lady screaming was Jerry's sister-in-law, struck in the leg and foot on Strathmore Road in Park Layne. He says he ran downstairs and he called 911.
And you said she actually crawled into the house?
Yeah. Or hobbled or however, I don't know how she got in that fast, but she got in.
He says he didn't know whether she got in fast. She probably didn't. 38-year-old woman taken to the hospital fast by an ambulance, and tonight she is expected to be okay.